A Wi-Fi splash page is the presentation layer of guest Wi-Fi, the branded web interface users see when connecting. It sits on top of the captive portal, which is the network mechanism that intercepts traffic and enforces access control. Understanding this distinction is essential for any IT manager deploying guest Wi-Fi at scale. Three core concepts underpin splash page architecture. The splash page itself is the web-based layer that handles authentication, consent, and branding. The captive portal is the underlying network infrastructure that redirects unauthenticated users to that page. And the walled garden is a whitelist of IP addresses or domains that users can access before they authenticate, critical for loading the splash page and external resources like social login APIs. What actually matters in deployment? First, remember the portal is the lock, the splash page is the door. Network engineers manage the captive portal whilst marketing and IT design the user-facing page. Second, whitelist external resources. If your splash page requires fonts, CSS frameworks, or OAuth integrations to render, those IPs or domains must be in the pre-authentication walled garden. Third, never intercept HTTPS traffic. Doing so breaks HSTS and triggers browser security warnings. Rely on HTTP detection mechanisms instead. Read the full guide at purple.ai